Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. The topic on which I'm going to speak is Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force is the air arm of Indian Armed Forces. It was established in 8th of October 1932 as auxiliary of British Air Force. Thus, we celebrate Air Force Day on 8th of October every year. Later, on 1st of April 1933, it received its first squadron, that is number 1 squadron, which consisted 5 Westland Wapiti planes and 4 Indian fighter pilots. Later, it played a crucial role during World War II to counter Japanese forces in Burma. That's why in 1945, King George VI conferred the prefix Royal before the Air Force. Later, when India became a republic in 1950, it removed the prefix Royal and renamed as Indian Air Force. Currently, the Indian Air Force has 7 commands, in which 5 are operational commands and 2 are functional commands. Those 5 operational commands are Eastern Command, headquarters in Shillong, Meghalaya; Western Command, headquarters in New Delhi; Southern Command, headquarters in Tiruvananthapuram, Kerala; Southwestern Command, headquartered in Gandhinagar, Gujarat; and Central Command, headquarters in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. And 2 functional commands are the Training Command in Bengaluru, Karnataka, and Maintenance Command in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Indian Air Force has organized its leadership into various categories and various ranks. The lower one is flight cadet, then flying officer, then flight lieutenant, then squadron leader, wing commander, group captain, and the flag ranks are Air Commodore, Air Vice Marshal, Air Marshal, Air Chief Marshal, and the Marshal of Indian Air Force. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of Indian Air Force. And late Mr. Arjan Singh was the only Marshal of the Indian Air Force. And currently, the Air Chief Marshal of Indian Air Force is Mr. Amarpreet Singh. Indian Air Force has currently operating 31 squadrons against the sanctioned 42 squadrons. Thus, it is importing and indigenously developing its own aircrafts to fill this gap. Some aircrafts which Air Force uses are Rafale, MiG, Sukhoi, and for transportation purposes, C-17 Globemaster, and helicopters like Apache, Mi helicopters, and the indigenously developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Prachand, and Dhruv. It is developing its modern capabilities to perform modern operations like drones and UCAVs, that is unarmed combat aerial vehicles. The major role of Indian Air Force is to provide aerial support and protection of Indian airspace. It also provides supports to Indian Army for tactical airlift capabilities and humanitarian assistance, disaster relief. Like currently it is working on Operation Brahma in earthquake-stricken Myanmar for providing disaster relief to the Burmese people. Indian Air Force is the 4th largest air force. So it is continuously evolving itself and adopting modern technologies. Thank you.